Hello, and welcome to Financial Fluence, where we'll teach you the most up-to-date strategies and tricks for making money online. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to be notified every time a new video is uploaded. And don't forget to leave a comment down below. And today, we'll show you how typing names into the internet may earn you up to $400 per day. How incredible is that? This is truly a once-in-a-lifetime chance. So without further ado, let's continue with the video. Typing one page of names will pay $15. 5 pages will pay $75. And typing 20 pages each day will pay $300. The best aspect is that there are no limitations. You may type as much as you want and make as much money as you want. This is something you can do on your phone or computer, and it's completely free and accessible all over the world. As you can see, we can estimate how much money you can make from this new possibility by utilizing the calculator on our website. Keep an eye on the rate per word, which is the amount of money you can earn for each word you type. You can earn money just by entering names on each of these pages. Let me now show you where you can get paid $15 for writing 300 words on this page. As I scroll down, I see that there are a total of 300 names, implying that inputting names on this website can earn you $15 and 300 words on every page. This is a terrific money-making opportunity. Consider this: we can receive up to 20 pages per day at a rate of $15 per page. Which means you can easily earn $300 to $400 per day by only typing names on this website. First, I would like you to visit this website, talentdesire.com. Earn money from home without having to invest anything. This is absolutely free. As you scroll down the page, you'll notice that they provide a variety of work-from-home options: online proofreading employment, freelance blogging, language translation, and paid internet surveys are just a few examples. For the purposes of this video, we'll concentrate on online typing jobs because it's one of the easiest things to perform on this website and requires no prior expertise or technical knowledge. Take a look at this. You can earn anywhere from $13,500 to $27,000 each year. In terms of membership prices, you can see that registration is completely free. And there are no hidden charges either before or after you join. We don't ask you about investment at any point. This is a completely free global opportunity. Right here, you can see that you'll be paid depending on your skill level, from beginners to professionals. You can see that even if you are a total newbie, you may get compensated whether you are an expert or not. Before we go any further, I'll give you some time to subscribe to the channel and give it a big thumbs up if you liked this video so far. If you found this video interesting and informative, please leave a comment down below. It's time to return to work and start earning some money. Here's the first bonus tip. Simply entering names online can help you earn a better rate. Visit ratatype.com for more information. Essentially, this is the website's homepage, from which you can take a free typing test. Then right here, click the yellow icon, Start Typing Now, and you'll be directed to this page, where you may begin typing on your phone or computer. I'd like you to take the speed typing test so that you can get a typing certificate from this website. You can get the certificate for free, and you'll need it because it'll boost your income and per page earning rates. If you want to earn 15 points for every page you type, for example, make sure you acquire the certificate. This is the ultimate secret, since even if you are brand new to the company, if you have a certificate proving that you can type, you will be accepted much more quickly and have access to more high-paying jobs and opportunities. With that in mind, typing names will allow you to earn $300 to $400 each day. So keep an eye on the screen to learn how to receive the certificate and complete your application on talentdesire.com. When you start typing on this website, it will calculate how many words per minute you can type, as well as your accuracy, including whether you have any spelling or typing mistakes. Your accuracy should be between 98 and 99.99%, as seen above. By taking a typing test and getting a certificate from this site, you can show how fast and accurately you can type, which will quickly raise your payout rate. Don't get too worked up if your accuracy is less than 98%. You can return to ratatype.com and take the typing test for free till your speed and accuracy improve. You can now sign up for a free account by scrolling down and clicking on this link right here if you've arrived at a satisfactory result. You can create a free account by providing your name, email address, and password. So go ahead and agree to the terms and conditions before clicking the yellow sign up button. When you scroll down and click on the certificate, you'll notice that it reads, "Awarded to your name for typing in English." And they'll even show you the ratatype.com signature to ensure that it's genuine. This certificate is actually pretty advantageous to you. You could be paid at a much greater rate as a result of it. When you go down again, you can really click on this print button right here. But don't worry, you can do it on your computer or on your phone as well. All you have to do is click on the Save button to see the image of your certificate, or to save it as a PDF file. Once you have the certificate, we'll go to talentdesire.com to start the application process for this job. When you reach the bottom of this page, click the red Apply Now button. You'll be directed to this website where you can start applying for employment. Simply scroll down to see what's available. Select an application and then proceed to this page to fill out an online application for work-at-home employment by clicking on this red link right here. I want you to scroll down and find the Fill in your data to apply and work with us. If you can't find the registration page, rewatch the video because you can bookmark or save it to your playlist to watch it later. You'll see that you'll be entering your personal information at the bottom of this page. And the first thing you'll need to do is accept the privacy policy. Then, after typing in your first and last names, as well as your email address, phone number, and country, click the down arrow. They accept people from all over the world, including India, Nigeria, the Philippines, the United Kingdom, the United States of America, and Pakistan, among others. Moving on to the next step. This is basically your professional information. It's an important part that most people get wrong. Now you must fill out the job title section, making sure to type the job title precisely as it appears here. Then decide on a time that is most convenient for you. Next, click the down arrow right here and choose whenever you want. Although, I recommend all day because it will give you more possibilities and jobs, allowing you to earn more money online. Select the best option for collecting your earnings using the down arrow here. Wire transfer or direct payment via PayPal or Payoneer. Now scroll down to the bottom of the page to see and select your current professional standing. Once you've completed all of the fields, click Yes, I have read and accept the above statement, and don't forget to sign. Simply provide your full name in the box below, select I'm not a robot, and then click the Submit button. Once you've been accepted, you'll be able to start receiving typing tasks like this one, where you may earn $15 for just 300 words. And that's only for the first page. The second page will cost another $15. And the third page will cost another $15, and so on. You can earn $15 for each page you type, but make sure you submit your work on time to continue receiving daily assignments. And that's all. If you enjoy similar stuff, check out my other videos. And if you like it, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the notification bell. If you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment down below, and I'll see you in the next video.